In April 2019, an astonishing find was made by scientists in the island nation, the Homo luzonensis, a long-lost cousin of modern humans. Fossils were found in Callao Cave, located on the island of Luzon. This remarkable discovery was the result of the collaborative efforts of an international team of archaeologists. The discovery's importance cannot be emphasized enough. It introduces increasing intricacy to the narrative of human evolution, challenging the once perceived straightforward progression. Instead, our ancestral lineage reveals an exuberant array of peculiar forms along its evolutionary journey. It also opens up the fascinating prospect that primitive human relatives might have traveled from Africa to Southeast Asia, challenging previously held assumptions about their migration capabilities. The remains, comprising 13 elements such as teeth, hand and foot bones, along with a portion of a femur, are believed to represent at least 3 adult and juvenile individuals. Homo luzonensis, with an estimated age of at least 50,000 to 67,000 years, belongs to a distinct line of hominins that is separate from Homo sapiens. Homo luzonensis exhibits certain physical resemblances to modern humans, while other aspects harken back to ancient ancestors like the Australopithecines and early members of the Homo genus. Notably, the curved finger and toe bones imply that climbing remained a significant activity for this species, a characteristic shared with some Australopithecines. This leads us to an intriguing question. How did Homo luzonensis acquire this extraordinary combination of traits? Identifying its ancestor proves impossible at this stage. Clues emerge from stone tools and butchered rhino remains discovered on the island, suggesting the presence of ancient humans in Luzon over 700,000 years ago. However, without any actual bones from these ancient beings, whether they were Homo luzonensis or precursors to Homo luzonensis remains uncertain. Another intriguing aspect is that they coexisted with other hominin species during its time, such as Homo sapiens, Homo floresiensis, Neanderthals, and Denisovans. However, out of these 5 species, only Homo luzonensis managed to survive and thrive. This finding sheds new light on our evolutionary history and raises fascinating questions about the interactions and fates of these ancient hominin groups.